Anyway, earlier I said that I'll try to make it short because maybe some of the parents are all actually very excited to hopefully be able to hug their children, their daughters, their sons, because today you are able to accomplish a milestone. So I'm gonna make this a very, very short graduation message. And, but sadly, you ask a politician to talk, short message usually takes us 2 hours. Muna short message siya mo, 2 ka oras. So sa akong relo karon 2:30, mga 4:30 ayaw mo kabalaka, mahuman ako din eh. Mubo lang nga. No, kidding. I'll try to make it short. Just allow me, of course, to recognize, of course, people who are here, who made all of this possible. People who in one way or the other tried very, very hard for you to be able to reach and catch your dreams. People who chose the field not because they are being paid for it, but people who made it a choice because they want to educate the next generation of this province and the Republic of the Philippines. Let me start by acknowledging, of course, our USTP Systems President, the hard-working, and of course, the visionary Dr. Ambrosio Cultura II. Of course, our Chancellor, who I had been working with for quite some time already, Attorney Dionel Albina, our Chancellor, together with Dr. Roel Salvador, our USTP Hasaan Acting Campus Director. Let me tell you, today is session. Supposedly, roll call was in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, supposed to be it's roll call. And when they call my name now, Imano Yevgeny, absent. Kay tuwa sa USTP. But nevertheless, Dr. Salvador, it does not matter if I will be absent every day, but as long as I am able to talk to the next generation of this province, I will gladly be absent just to be with all of you. And we also have Professor Maricel Mandawe, Professor Ferdinand Oraiz, Professor Cirilo Raiz, Engineer Brian Henon, Mrs. Nebel Torin Auxilio, and thank you to our MC, Engineer Ranoko, Mr. Hassan Haji Malik, Assalamu alaikum, and our Alumni President for USTP Hasaan, Ms. Christine Gomez, and of course, would like to recognize Mr. Espiritu, who delivered a very wonderful message for all of you ladies and gentlemen. Maayong hapon! Bisag na-graduate na kuya mangyapon. Maayong hapon! Hindi lang po masuko, nanimbayara-bayat. Yeah. Up front, let me thank, of course, all our teachers, professors, doctors, all your mentors for inculcating all of you and to be able to learn and achieve the different courses that you will be graduating today. Earlier, I said, the teachers, the professors, they are paid minimally. In fact, these people in front of you, if they want to earn more, they could easily go abroad, work in universities. Abroad, they will be paid quadruple times, 4 times, 5 times, 10 times the salary that they are receiving as our head in USTP different campuses. And yet, they decided to stay. They decided to be with you because like you, the batches that had passed and the batches that are coming, they want to inculcate, they want to teach, and they want to mold. Let us give our professors and USTP President and heads a very round of applause. That applause, how hard it is, how loud it will be the sign, the passion, the heart that we want to thank them. Give them a bigger, louder round of applause, please. Sir, those applause is appreciation actually to all of you. Thank you very much for teaching the next generation in the province of Misamis Oriental. Second, let us thank your parents, Mama, Papa, Tita, Tito, Tia, Tio, Lola, Lolo, Uncle, Auntie, Igsuon, brother, sister. Thank you for helping your children to study. Thank you for sacrificing so they too will have at least a better chance of facing the challenges of tomorrow. I know it was not easy, Mama, Papa, Tatay, Nanay. Every day, pliti. Every day, project. Every day, snacks. And you have to work 3-4 times a day. And even do extra work overtime para lang ang inyong mga anak makahuman og eskwela. Ang inyong dili lang kay singot ang gitulo, luha, apil pa uban dugo para matagaan lang og kaugmaon ang inyong mga anak. You, parents, are actually the heroes. You should be the one who will not be seated on the side, but should have seated beside your daughter and your son, because you sacrificed a lot. And thank you for choosing education. Salamat sa pagpili sa edukasyon para sa inyong anak. Kung inyo ni silang gitagaan og cellphone, Mama, Papa, why siguro obsolete ng cellphone, nahulog, nabuak pagyod. Kung itagaan niyo sila og tsinilas, og sapatos, sigurado ko, napudpud na ang tsinilas og sapatos. Itagaan niyo sila og sinina nga mahalon, sa siging laba, sigurado ko, nakusnit na tog nagisi. Pero ang inyong gihatag sa ila, edukasyon, walay makakawat sa ila, mo'y makagiya sa pagkabot sa ilang mga tanggo. Mao kamo. Let me challenge all of you, graduates. If you will accept my challenge, might be the first time that they will ever hear from you. But after the graduation, before going to your girlfriend, before going to your boyfriend, embrace Mama, embrace Papa, and may it be aloud or silently. Whisper to their ear, Mama, Papa, thank you, ug I love you. Ang pangutana, pwede ba ninyong masultian si Mama ug Papa o niya, ug I love you? Ang tubag. Tanawa, sir. Mr. President, bawion na itong mga kuwan ani. Kuwan na ito ilang mga diploma, kaya di man makatubag. Pwede ba na ito sultian si Mama ug Papa ug I love you? Basin ug may lang musulti sa uyab. Sweetheart, I love you. Darling, I love you. Pero unya, paggawa ko sa Mama, Ma, I love you. Ma, Pa, I love you. You know, your parents do not expect anything in return. Some of them, a little bit economically, maybe. But the sweetest that they want to hear from you, aside from thanking them, is that you appreciate what they sacrificed for you to be able to graduate here today. So ang sabot Masultian unya, dili. Naghinay na lagi gyud. Masultian, dili. Mama, papa, kundi sila magsulti, igna si President para bawion nilang diploma, ha? No, you should thank them. Because they are the reason that you are all here. When it comes to graduation, I do not usually speak a lot. Because when I graduated, and our graduation speaker spoke a very, very long discourse, and with all the graduation messages that he was talking about, I could not remember one thing today. Taas kaya ang diskurso, unya wala ko'y madumduman. Muna ako, mubo lang. Usa lang. Comfort is the enemy of success. Let me say it again. Comfort is the enemy of success. If you are already comfortable today as you are, you will never be able to reach success. You will never be able to touch success because you are comfortable where you are right now. If today you're living in a nipa hut, I'm not saying that's negative to live in a nipa hut. I live in a nipa hut. And you want a little comfort. Maybe yero, kaning shin, hollow block na balay, then you have to work for it. But if you're comfortable already, you will not be able to achieve it. If you're on a motorcycle, motor ba? Uso kay karon, no? If you're on a motorcycle, and if you're comfortable with it, it's not bad. But if you are not comfortable with it, and you have to have a four-wheel car, upat kaligid nga sakyanan, you have to work for it. If karong ga-drive kag motor, maabugan ka, kung mag-ulan, ulanan ka. Unya sunod gusto ka mag-drive, nga dili na ka maulanan ug mainitan, and you want to buy a car, then you're not comfortable with the motorcycle. You have to work for it to become successful, then you are able to buy another car or a car. You should never be comfortable. You should never be comfortable for you to able to achieve success. Kinahanglan dili ka komportable. Kayo komportable nakakaroon, you will never be able to grab success. So can we all please repeat? Comfort is the enemy of success. All together. 1, 2, ready, go! Louder! Yeah. Comfort is the enemy of success. Once you are not anymore comfortable, then you will work hard to have a better life. So to end, I don't want to end it alone. Let us all end it together because it's an end for graduation and a start of another exciting life. I will allow 5 of you to ask me any question you want. Because if I'm the only one speaking to you, it's my comfort zone. Kung ako lang bitaw magstorya sa inyo, komportable ako. Pero kung kamo mangutana sa ako, di ko kabalo unsa inyong pangutana. Kay dili ko komportable, I know that it's one step going to the success that I want and where I want to be in life. So first 5 questions lang. Anything, work, love life, ay lang about sa minyo, kaya ako'y asawa. Any, bills, loss, my staff will actually help you. Sige, first five. Sige na kay, mauwaw na kay ko ilang sir, may present kultura. Ay, first five. Ay, kaulaw. There. No right, no wrong answer. Sweetheart, please. 5 lang, sir. 5 lang. Yes, ma'am.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon, sir.
Ma'am, before you ask your question, can I get another 4? Upat lang. Napailain, patinog na udaan. Upat lang. Upat lang. There, that's 2. There. Gangga, there, that's 3. One more, 2 more, 2 more. 2 more. Ay, di alang. That's 4. Abi pa lang nila, di takabalo mangutaan na tagahasaan. One more. There, 1, 2, 3, 4. Upat lang yun. Wala nilain ha. Going once. Going twice. Going thrice. Okay, tulo. Upat. Okay na, Bon. Upat. There. There, 5. Okay. Sige, Gangga. My staff, my district head, Jana, and Bon will help you. Microphone. Sirard, please.
Hello.
Sige, Gangga.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Sir, as we bid goodbye to our alma mater, USDP Hasaan, but it is also a start and the beginning of other students, especially namin mga manghod. We would like to ask your support in enhancing the facilities and infrastructures to our dear alma mater.
That's wonderful, sweetheart, no? Lami kay mo. Ay, sa lingkod. Tubagon pa kagangga. You know, President Salvador, pag-abot na ko Gangga, when I arrived, told me about a bill that is needed that I have to file so that USTP Hasaan will already have its own budget in the General Appropriations Act. Gangga, today is budget hearing. Tomorrow, I'm going back to Congress. What's your name again? Ella. You know Ella?
Yes po.
Ella. Tomorrow, I'm going to Congress. My staff, Bon, Ella, will get your number. Tomorrow, I will file the needed bill and give you a copy of the bill that filed already in Congress. Thank you, Ella. Ay, sa lingkod. Next. Gwapo kayo mga pangutan na siyang mga bata, eh. Ha? Mga bukat kayo ba? Kalingkuro na ba ako? Ella, yes, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Actually, this is my last day journey of my education. So, after this graduation, tomorrow, I'm thinking about what I do in myself to find a job. So, this is the next journey of my life to find a job.
Yeah,
So, may I ask your help, sir, to find a job?
Yeah. Nanangga, no? That's a very wonderful question. Every time that universities and colleges are able to graduate students, it's actually also the start of unemployment in the Republic of the Philippines. Munang tinuod, di ba? Kada human og graduasyon, sugod na po na, ano yung ngalan ganit, sir?
Ulysses Pumatong.
Ulysses. Mupo na ang pagsugod nato sa atong adlaw sa wala na trabaho. Tomorrow will be the first day of your jobless day. You're not a student anymore. So, tomorrow, sugod dogma. Sir, I will not promise you anything. Because if I will promise you things and I might not be able to keep, then I might regret the things that I'll be saying. But this I can tell you. Not everything, dili tanan. Nga paguman og eskwela, maning kaamo ta trabaho. Naay uban sa ato, nga kung naabot daw tay gamay, kani sa ra tinuod, nga luna sa atong ginikanan, we can always actually go back to, I'm not saying that you studied now, you go back to farming, but let it be an option. Because, you know, ang population sa Pilipinas, 110 million. Sunod away ani, dili trabaho. Sunod away ani, pagkaon. But sir, I will not promise you anything, Ulysses. But you can always submit your papers to us. We will try to help you a job that you want. I cannot promise you right up and front of a job. but what I can do is find a best position that will fit your course.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Ano mong kurso gani?
Sir?
Ano mong kurso?
BSc Sensor, Bachelor of Science in Energy Systems and Management.
Saan na siya?
Sir, related sa electrical nga trabaho, sir. And
Electrical?
controls.
This is an
related-
electrician.
Di, electrician, sir, pero related siya sa mga electrical nga mga activity. Especially sa mga planta, siya ga maintenance sa mga planta nga in terms of electrical.
I might be able to help you. I might be able to help you, Ulysses. Thank you, thank you. Yeah. Next. Ano naman tong si Ella? Ay, Ella. Ay, anong kilingkod naman ka? Gangga, name.
June Alfred and Adi, sir.
June.
Actually, na pangutana na niya akong pangutana. So, ilay na lang na ako. Sa among mag-classmate day, sir, gusto rin kami mag-in-situ ba? Sa ititesda ba bitaw? Matabangan ba kami ni mo na, sir? Sing na lang,
Yeah.
sponsor gamay.
Pila sila?
Dagan mi, sir. Ba to mga kagumpa na ako diya. Mag-in-situ mi, sir.
June, after this, I'll call, after this, I will call Regional Director Navarro. Siya ang RD na to sa TESDA. June, if we finish before 5, give us your number and we will tell you on how many we can afford to continue with NC2. Believe me, we will call you before.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. June Ella Ulysses.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Nakita rin mapangutana, sir, kaya napangutana na nila. Ang ako lang, sir, is kanang nakita na mo sa TikTok, sir, nga kato si Mayor Kaluwag, sir, nga nagatag siya gift, nga graduation gift sa mga graduate. Hinaton ta, sir, kami. Ako mga classmates, sir.
That's wonderful.
Yes, dili lang ako, sir, kay di na naman po ako ang gigraduate.
Yeah.
So, apel
That's
ako.
very wonderful, sweetheart. But ano yung mga alan?
Maricela Lebra, sir.
Maria?
Pwede na sa tawag ko ni Mag Maria, sir.
Maria. Ang amo, I was already invited sa graduation sa Taguluan Community College. I was invited sa graduation sa MSU Naawan. We actually give a little surprise for the cum laude.
Ay, kaming mga kunin.
Yeah.
O pwede
Mr.
na sir, mubo na to, 1K
Yeah.
sir per student.
Mr. Espiritu. Yeah. Mr. Espiritu. Where's Mr. Espiritu? Yeah, Mr. Espiritu actually will receive today a Bambi Imano Leadership Award.
Wow.
And in that award is also a cash of 10,000 pesos. But we'll try to make something for you. Okay.
Actually sir, ito gra ko sir, kay nanganga, magura ko sandala na si sir, kay madool lang ko.
Okay, we'll try to do something for you. Thank you, Mary.
Thank you, sir.
Ay, saan lakaw, Maria? Okay.
So, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. So my question, sir, is for sports, sir, since Hasaan is very active, can you also help us improve our school? And this is related to Ella's question, sir. And so, kanang mag-ask me og help sa imo sa support sa mga athletes and sa mga performers.
That's nice. Abalo mo gangga. Of the 5 of you ba, the questions that you are asking actually is actually for everybody. Ano ba itong dili mo laog? You're not selfish. And it's a very wonderful thing. Gangga, before last week, nagsugod naman ang budget hearing. Pag uli na ko ugma, ako tong awayan akong chief of staff. Kaya nga nung wala ko kabalo, atong request ni Mr. Salvador, ang naibawaan na ako, ang USTP Claveria na ay problema. Ang problema sa UST Claveria, di na sila mudawat og enrollee kay wala na sila isweldo sa mga teacher kay 20 years ago, 20 anyos pamilabay, aya day sila natagai 20 years ago pa sila natagaan og item. Imagine, ang ilang estudyante sa una 700 pa. Karon na ilang estudyante 4,000 na. ang item sa maestra at sa una nga 700 hangtod karon mo pagyapon. I talked to Secretary Pangandaman sa DBM. Nangayo sila 89 ka teacher items. Wala ko nakuha ang 89 pero natagaan sila og 56 items karon 2024. So mawala na og maka-enroll na tanan ilang bata. So humanaman ko sa UST Claveria na UST Hasaan ako idugang sa akong challenge. But yeah, when it comes to sports, Gangga, Governor Onabia could actually give you more tungod sa program nato sa sports development sa province. But kung ginagmay Gangga, kanang imong tuo, ang akong opisina na sa balay ni Notchka sa Taguluan. Give us a letter. Dili kayo dagko Gangga, but certainly we will be able to give you a little something for your sports program. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
So, we now have 5 strong men and women who actually ask questions. You know, kana silang 5, they would have been comfortable nga naglingkod lang. Unya di ta mahutan na, basig mauwawan ta. Basig no kasab-an ta. But they had the courage ba to stand up, ask questions, and they are outside of their comfort zone. That's what I'm trying to tell you. You should never be comfortable because you will never be able to achieve success. Because they were uncomfortable, they will be successful. And as they go back to their chairs, each of them will receive 2,000 pesos. Why? Because they were uncomfortable. That's what I'm trying to teach you. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Maayo na imong sapatos, mapalitan og bago. Mary, mapalitan og bago, Maria. Mapalitan og bago. There. Jana, please. There. That was what I was trying to teach you. When I was telling you, when I was saying that comfort is the enemy, you can be seated actually. Thank you, thank you. You can be comfortable again. See? You should never be comfortable. You should always try to make it a point to achieve for something better. Tomorrow, not because you're graduate that life will be softer. Tomorrow, life will be harder. Tomorrow, life will be more of challenges. But you should not be comfortable. You should not give up. You should always continue in reaching and capturing your dreams. Because if you are able to do that, then not only you are able to help yourselves, but you are able to help the Republic of the Philippines, the province of Misamis Oriental, and maybe you too will be able to help the municipality of Hasaan. From the bottom of my heart, I wish each and everyone a successful journey in life. I might not be able to help all of you, but let this be an assurance that as long as I am here, regardless of political affiliation, I too will strive to give you a better Misamis Oriental. Congratulations. Thank you. Mayong hapon sa tanan.
Dr. Amorso B. Cultura II, System President, will now do the honor of giving the plaque of appreciation to our commencement speaker, to be assisted by Attorney Janelle O. Albina, Chancellor of USTPCTO, and Dr. Ruel Salvador, Acting Campus Director of USTP Hasaan. Before that, let me first read the citation. University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines, Hasaan, Plaque of Commendation is awarded to Honorable Bambi B. Emano,
2nd District Representative of the House of Congress of Province of Misamis Oriental, for sharing his precious time and knowledge as commencement speaker during the graduation ceremony of the University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines, Hasaan, anchored on the theme Advancing the Frontiers of Education for Social Progress, Environmental Protection, and Sustainable Development. Given this 14th day of August 2023 at the University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines, Cagayan de Oro. Signed, Dr. Ruel S. Salvador, Acting Campus Director, Attorney Janelle O. Albina, Chancellor, USTP CDO, and Dr. Ambrosio B. Cultura II, USTP System President.